Is the wide spectrum audio feature not available on your iPhone? Don't worry, this issue is easy to fix. Here's a simple guide on how to get it working again if wide spectrum is currently unavailable on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check compatibility. First, make sure your iPhone model supports wide spectrum. Wide spectrum is available on iPhone models running iOS 15 or later. It is typically used during FaceTime calls or other supported apps that offer enhanced microphone modes. Solution 2. Remove background app and restart. For that, open Setting. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Enable this option and set this to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now remove all the app from your background. After removing background app, restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After update, check if the wide spectrum option is available after the update. If there is no update, then try next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Sometimes network issues can affect features like wide spectrum. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your network settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Check if the issue is resolved. Here's how you can fix the issue. Follow these simple steps to get it working again. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.